Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a can of compressed air, isopropyl alcohol, and a soft cloth. These tools will help you safely disassemble and clean your laptop's motherboard without causing any damage. Start by powering off your HP16 af1014ns and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible, as this will prevent any electrical issues during the cleaning process. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew all the screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back panel removed, you will have access to the internal components, including the motherboard. Before proceeding, take a moment to observe the layout of the motherboard. This will help you understand where to focus your cleaning efforts. Using the can of compressed air, blow away any dust and debris that may have accumulated on the motherboard and surrounding components. Make sure to hold the can upright to avoid any liquid propellant from escaping. For more stubborn dirt, dampen a soft cloth with isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe the surfaces of the motherboard. Avoid using excessive liquid, as this could lead to further issues. Pay special attention to connectors and ports, as these areas can accumulate grime that may affect performance. If you encounter any corrosion or residue, you may need to use a soft brush to carefully scrub the affected areas. Ensure that you do this gently to avoid damaging any components. Once you are satisfied with the cleanliness of the motherboard, allow it to dry completely before reassembling your laptop. Now, if this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If you prefer, we can handle the cleaning for you. Our service includes collection and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about any calls or travel. You can simply sit back and relax while we take care of your device. After the motherboard is dried, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop, ensuring that all clips are securely fastened. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently to avoid stripping. Finally, reinsert the battery and power on your HP16 af1014ns. Check to see if everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Cleaning your laptop's motherboard can significantly improve its performance and longevity. By following these steps, you can ensure that your device remains in top condition. If you have any doubts or prefer professional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.